Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions for a lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A73. So to see them, let's go for our settings and look for advanced features. Then there's motions and gestures. Now let's check which of these options work on a lock screen. So we have lift to wake, and if it should work like that, so that we lock our phone, place it on a surface, then if we pick it up, it should wake up or unlock our phone. That works on your lock screen. There's two other settings: turn on screen and turn off screen by double tapping. And now let's see if it works. Double tap to lock and double tap to unlock. It works fine, and also one of them works on a lock screen. Let's go again, advanced features and motions and gestures. You can enable keep screen on while viewing, and if you keep looking at your phone, it shouldn't lock. Next one is alert when phone is picked up, and now if you lock your phone, then place it somewhere, and if you receive any calls or messages while the phone was lying on the surface, then it should notify you with a vibration next time you pick it up. Last one is mute with gestures, and that it works like this. So you lock your phone, place it upside down, it should mute all incoming calls. There's also option to mute incoming calls by covering it with a hand, and that works on your lock screen. Last is a palm swipe to capture, and that's a screenshot feature that works like this, but obviously it's kinda pointless to use it. It works like this, and it's kinda pointless to use it on lock screen, and yeah. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.